here's something to improve your maintenance IQ. When should diesel exhaust fluid service be performed, and what does that entail? Well, simply, it has to be before it gets really cold in your part of the country. If it doesn't, you should always perform maintenance on these systems. But if you're in a cold part of the country, you need to pay attention to the fluid that's going into the system and also the tank itself. If the fluid is not the right consistency or purity, it's going to freeze inside the tank. This could damage the tank and could also cause issues with the level sensor and also the heater inside of it. If there's any issues with those two items, you need to check with a scan tool to see if there's any codes in the system associated with the diesel exhaust fluid system. This way you can be sure that there's no codes and the system is operating properly. Next, it's the visual inspection. Look inside the tank, make sure it's not contaminated, and make sure that that tank also has a cap. It's critical that this system has a cap on it so dirt, debris, and other particles do not make it into the tank. So perform this every year to make sure that that vehicle is performing properly and the diesel exhaust fluid system is working properly, and also top off the system and make sure that you're using fresh fluid that has the correct purity for urea. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.